First, place the 2 thread cones onto the thread stand. Next, guide the thread up through the thread stand eyelet. Before beginning the threading process, you must ensure the machine's power is disconnected for safety. When the power is off, the indicator light will be extinguished, confirming that the machine and its sensor are deactivated. We will start with the needle thread, using the cone on the left. This arrangement prevents the threads from tangling, which can lead to breakage or skipped stitches. First, pass the thread through the main thread guide post on the machine. Then, guide it through the thread lubricator box, which helps to cool and lubricate the thread. From there, pass it through the next eyelet. Next, guide the thread through the tension discs, making sure it seats firmly between them. From there, pass it through the next thread guide, and then up and through the take-up lever. First, manually rotate the hand wheel to raise the needle until it is fully extended. This brings the needle eye into the most accessible position. Next, carefully pass the thread through the eye of the needle. Then, use tweezers to grasp the end of the thread and pull it completely through. The needle is now threaded. Guide it through the looper's tension discs. Then, open the front cover plate. After opening the cover, guide the thread down through the eyelet inside. Now, approach the looper thread guide plate. Pass the thread through the first hole, and use your tweezers to pull the end of the thread completely through from the other side. Next, route the thread towards the second hole. If it isn't properly aligned, simply turn the hand wheel to move the looper to its lowest point. This will bring the hole right into position. Once it's aligned, pass the thread through this second hole. Again, using your tweezers to grasp the thread and pull it out. Pay close attention here, as this next step is critical. The thread must pass directly through the eyelet located between the moving and fixed thread guides. Be sure it does not slip above or below this point. Incorrectly threading here is a primary cause of thread breakage and skipped stitches. Now, rotate the hand wheel to bring the looper to its highest position. Then, pass the thread through the upper eyelet on the looper itself. For the final step, with the looper still held at its highest position, pass the thread through the eyelet at its very tip. Now, simply pull the thread through from underneath. And with that, the entire threading process is complete. Now, close the front cover and reconnect the power and air supply. Let's run a test scene to see the stitching results. Now we have a complete stitch, and it can be seen that this stitch is standard and intact.